Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a pair of lips, so let's get started. To draw these lips, we're going to first start by drawing a soft curve. So this is going to be my center, and from this point I'm going to draw a very soft curve that comes down, and same thing over here, very slight. So same exact thing on both sides, and from there let's bring this down a little bit more. And here as well. So same exact thing on both sides. From there, let's come to the center point that you've created, and we're going to draw a straight line down for the teeth. So right down the middle, we're going to draw a straight line, and from there, let's come say about in this area, and I'm just going to draw a slight curve and connect it straight across. So same thing over here. About right here, same, just like the other side, and curve and straight across and connect. So we have the two front teeth, and then from there let's bring this curve down on both sides. So we're just going to go back and forth and slowly build our lips right here. So in this area right next to this tooth, we're just going to come about right here and fill in the gap. A line in this area for the other teeth. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come up, straight up, and let's make them pretty thick lips, right? Nice and luscious lips. So say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. And from this point, I'm going to start to draw the curve on top of the upper lip. So let's come up and down. So same thing over here. Up, just like the other side, and down, right above. From there, we're going to come and bring this down. And we're going to go past this, come out, and give it a slight curve in that area. So same thing over here. Just come down, and in this area, just come out. Okay, so from there, let's go ahead and connect these two curves. So bring right here and connect it, and connect it. So we have the upper lip in. Now let's draw the bottom. So come back to where you started right here, and we're going to draw a curve. And so right here, there's a little wobble right here of a curve because the bottom part is going to come down more. So let's bring this curve down, and about right here we're going to come out. So just slightly, and then bring this down. And then we're going to start to go all the way back to here. So in this area, I'm just going to come down with a curve right there so I know where I'm going. And let's bring this down. So I'm just going to go back and forth so it's easier on my hands. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There. So I have a nice little curve right here in this area. It looks really weird right now, right? Okay, it'll all come together, I promise. So in this area right here underneath this tooth, say about right here, give yourself a point, and from there we're going to draw a very slight curve that comes back to this area. Just a curve and come right back and tuck it in. And then in this area right here, we're going to draw a straight line across. Not too much, just a little bit. And then we're going to draw two lines for part of the bottom teeth. And then that is pretty much it for the drawing. So I'm going to come in here and shade this part in black, because all there is to this drawing is black and red, which I'm going to color in for you so you can see a little bit better, and some highlights on the red part to make it look really glossy. But I'm also going to come in here and thicken some of the lines so it doesn't look so flat. So let's say maybe the bottom lip right here, I mean the bottom of the teeth right here. I'm going to thicken these lines. Makes it look a little bit more graphic. And even here. So thicken this line. And then let's see here, right here, I'm going to also thicken the tops. And come down and taper it. So by making some lines thicker and thinner, it just gives it more graphic look. So like right here, maybe this part's thin, but then it was come here, we can make it thicker. And same thing here, so thinner and then maybe thicker as we come down on this side. So it's all up to you how much detail you want to put into these lips. Oops. Okay. There, and then let's see. Down here as well. So delicate, right? It's scary when you're using a Sharpie. So on the edge right here, I'm going to give it a little bit darker on the edge. Okay, so as you can see, there's just some that are thicker and thinner in the lines, and it just gives it more of a pop. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just switch to my red marker. And using this red marker, I'm going to come into certain areas right here and draw some, maybe over here I'm going to draw a big oval, a smaller one right next to it, and another one. So I found this pair of lips on Google. It's kind of clip art lip that I thought was really cool, and thought maybe you guys would love to draw this, so hopefully made it easy for you guys to draw it as well. So right here is going to be another big highlight. And here, another one, and another one right next to it. Okay, now it looks like it has blisters, right? Okay, let's just come in here and we're going to color in all red, and it's all going to come together, and it looks really cool. Whoever drew this pair of lips is awesome. Rather than just a boring pair of lips together, I thought this was a lot more interesting. Okay, the top part's done. It's coming together, right? Looks pretty cool. And let's come to the bottom. So my goal is always to try to make it as easy as possible for you guys to also draw it at home. These step-by-step tutorials that I make, that's my goal. To inspire you to draw and go, wow, look at that, I did it too, it was so easy, hopefully. And please always remember, if you don't get it right the first time, or you don't like how it turned out the first time, just try it again. It always gets better with more and more practice. You guys are always asking me, how do you draw a circle so well? How do you do this so well? Well, it's because I've been doing this forever. Lots and lots of practice, and lots of making mistakes, and learning, and improving as I go. Okay, so there. That is so cool, right? Luscious pair of lips, and hopefully you guys love how it turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos.